there's no instrumental for this review, so you're gonna have to deal with no music. I have devoured collecting cars. So here we go. Let's take a in-depth review of the Dinoco 400 set, released in 2007. So we'll take a look, and let's not review the star-billing Red Bun. That's what I like to call him. Let's not review Strip, and let's not review Chick, because we already know. I now have spare of them to replace my original version. I'll show you some fair comparison later. I've gotten another version, my original versions, so I bought another Aki and Axler just for fair comparison between those three. So let's get started with this star-billing Red Bun. So I use this as a custom Rusty's Lightning McQueen. This one's a bit damaged. It kind of had dings and scratches, but we somehow call it the Cars Love. Man, I put a lot of this. God. Also, the eye decals are black, so it was marker. They were in fact dusted. Here we go. It says Disney Pixar China. So it looks, the star-billing Red Bun nowadays looks clean. So yeah, I'm gonna use the star-billing Red Bun's paint scheme in my series. Stay tuned for that, huh? Let's do a fair comparison on Strip the King Withers. So Strip here. Ooh, this has lots of damage. The 43 scratched off. The axles are rusted. Thailand does that nowadays. The spoiler still remains, but it kind of is falling apart. But this one is a much better version. The spoiler's alright. It remains intact. So the axles are now better nowadays. So we're going to use this in my series. We're going to do it towards my old Chick Hicks. I had spare Chick Hicks when I was a kid. So this one has clay all over it. I used for a Greg Wilson custom, which ultimately failed whilst being outside for too long. I kept it in the tub for over a year. Then after only a year, I found it. It still got brown clay remaining in its tire. This one looks fresh out of the box, and used in my series as well. Next, let's do a fair comparison on Claude Scruggs. You see, this Claude Scruggs had a fair bit of play. His tire is damaged, and it's missing. The axles are a bit rusty, and he's a bit scratched up. Ugh. Yeah. And this Claude Scruggs looks fresh out of the box. It's still got some chips, but it'll look good in my series. I have 3 Aki and Axlers. This is the full orange. This is the light version, and this is the lenticular version. I did not have the normal Aki and Axler as a kid. And I'll share my full history later. Right, I have 3 Aki and Axlers, 3 of which. And I'll use the full orange version in my series. I have 2 Todd Marcuses. This is the one I mainly use for the Donry Lily version. And at least, if I still want to try this out as a Donry Lily render, this is the 2014 release, and this is the 2007 release. So, the bottoms are very different. Disney Pixar made in China. Disney Pixar China. Yeah. 2014, 2007. I have also forgot to mention that these diecasts are all 1/55 scale, all custom painted, with no paper stickers. If those get dinged up, they will be replaced. And not to be preserved, but they'll be added. So, I'll see you then, I guess. Bling.